Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to find a Roblox server region. If you like playing in different regions, or maybe you want to play in your country's region because you want to make friends with your own people, or maybe for another reason you want to know the server region in Roblox. So in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to do it. Knowing the region of the server of Roblox is done by a Chrome extension. So for that you have to open your Google Chrome browser and then you have to search for better blogs. This is a Chrome extension specifically designed for Roblox. You just have to simply search for it, and then from the results you have to make sure you go to the Chrome web store where you can get the extensions. Then you have to click on add to Chrome and just simply add extension. Once you add it, now what you have to do is that you just have to simply wait for a while once it fully get installed. Then you have to open the Roblox in the web browser, not in the desktop app. You have to open it on the web browser. So for that, just simply search for Roblox and just simply go to its website. From the results, make sure you're going with the first one, which is the right one, and then you have to click on login and add your credentials and just simply log in with your account. This one just will take a while, like a maybe minute or maybe few seconds in the loading, and then you will be onto home page. Now what you have to do is that you have to simply open any game that you would like to play or know the server region. Let's say this is the game, and then you will get these option. You have to click onto this server one, you can see. Now once you get there, you will find different sort of servers, but you cannot see the region. This is because the extension takes a while to work. It won't work unless you get this screen pop up from the extension. This will take just a while, and once you get it onto your screen, you can just simply read it. Otherwise, just simply click on got it. Now just simply get back to your game and go to this server section. Again, I'm telling you, it would not work immediately. It will take some time, like maybe 5 minutes and 10 minutes, and after that you will be able to see the server region. Until what you can do is that you can just simply keep refreshing for like 2 to 3 times, or maybe wait, and once you get the regions, that means it has worked. So I'm just going to do a quick refresh. You have to simply do the same thing, and then you will be able to get the region. And here you can see the region is now written up there. At the bottom you can see the country, the name, and also some initials at the top, so you will get the idea. This is how it works. The extensions takes a while. Once it gets installed and works fully, then you will be able to see the region of every server, and then you can just simply join anyone that you would like to. So that's how you can find a Roblox server region. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.